Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Slightly different than usual. I'm looking different than usual. Different surrounding. Everything is different. This is a whole new adventure for the shop. We are building a new one. And as you can see, I have to run very close to you. It's super big. It's twice the space we had before. There are 3 stations coming over here. We're going to decorate all the walls, all the surroundings. Everything is brand new. Just bare concrete, and I'm going to take you with me in this video in all the things we do, in little time lapses and maybe some videos in between. So enjoy, have fun, and see you when it's done. And it's done. Wow, it took a little longer than in this video. It took us approximately 2 weeks. I painted the whole ceiling. It was light pinkish brown, a little bit of a salmon color, and now it's all black. We've built a storage unit over there, just 3 by 2 meters, so 6 square meters. 2 new stations, or actually this one isn't new, but 2 next to each other. And let's hope I can turn you guys around. Over here, there's the other station. Let's tilt the camera a little. And of course our trusty sign. And if you look at it the other way, it looks like this. Incredible. This is the new backdrop for the video intros, and of course it's just a waiting area for customers when they come in. With a new shop there's something else that has to be new. Roll the intro. Alright, stop it. Let's get rid of that, and we need a new one as well. Well, that's the new intro. Let me know what you think of it down here. So the new shop, I'll show you around with some footage. A little bit of B-roll. Let me know what you think of it in the comments as well. Leave a blue thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button to help me grow even more, because with a new intro, new shop, new videos, there's so much cool stuff coming, guys. Can't wait. I hope you can either. See ya.